In a small village surrounded by tall hills, there lived a young man named Jampa. He was hardworking, kind at heart, but easily annoyed. If someone spoke too loudly, he frowned. If someone criticized him, he argued. If things didn't go his way, his whole day was ruined. People began to avoid him, not because he was bad, but because he was always reacting. One day, after arguing with a shopkeeper over something trivial,
"You don't understand quality. This is a fair price. Take it or leave it."
Jampa stormed out of the village and walked toward the mountains. He kept walking until he reached a quiet place where no voices followed him. There, sitting on a rock, was an old Tibetan monk. The Tibetan monk looked calm, so calm it almost annoyed Jampa.
Why are you so peaceful? Don't people bother you? They do, but I don't let them stay.
That makes no sense. If someone is rude, it's their fault. How can I not be angry?
Do you see that mountain? Yes, I do.
People shout at it sometimes. They insult it, curse it, even throw stones at it. Tell me, what does the mountain do? Nothing. Exactly. And because it does nothing, it remains strong, unchanged, and peaceful.
I'm not a mountain. But you can learn from one. For the next 3 days, stay here. Watch your thoughts. Whenever you feel anger, don't act. Just notice it.
The first day was hard. Jampa remembered every insult he had ever received. His mind replayed arguments, unfair moments, rude people. His chest tightened, his jaw clenched. Slowly, something strange happened.
Why is he just sitting there like that? Looks foolish.
The anger rose, then faded, like a wave that crashed and disappeared. Aaron heard it clearly. His anger sparked instantly. How dare they, he thought. He almost stood up, almost shouted. Nothing. No fight. No stress. No lingering anger. Just silence. Day 3.
People's words were like wind, sometimes strong, sometimes harsh, but always passing. He
Sometimes
realized
strong,
something
sometimes
important.
harsh,
Most of
but
his
always
anger
passing.
wasn't caused by others. It was caused by his reaction to them. The same words that ruined his day before now had no power unless he gave it to them.
Now had no power unless he gave it to them.
I think I understand. Tell me. People will still be rude. Things will still go wrong. But I don't have to carry it. I can let it pass, like the mountain lets the wind pass. And when you stop reacting, you stop suffering from things that were never yours to begin with.
Aaron returned to his village. People were still the same. Some were kind, some were not, but Aaron had changed.
You never listen! Nothing bothers you!
You can't control what people say or do, but you can control whether you react. When you stop taking things personally and let emotions pass instead of holding on to them, anger loses its power over you.
Thank
Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I appreciate you watching, and subscribing helps a lot. See you next time, everyone. Bye!